In this video, we're going to talk about the plumbing that it took to put in this Josephine's Farmhouse sink from Home Depot. I should have put this video out a long time ago, but now we've had it for about 3 months. I feel like I'm semi-qualified to tell you at least it doesn't leak. So let's take a look underneath and see how my setup is and see how it compares to yours. So you'll see here my drain actually goes through the floor. Yours might be different, could be going through the wall, but as it comes up from the floor, we got two pipes, two traps here, going one into the other to loop around so that I can get to the proper elevation, so I can connect these two 90 degrees. You can see coming up from the traps, I got a 90 degree, and then I got a 90 degree coming off the sink itself, and then a female to female side here connecting these two parts. It took me 2 or 3 tries going to Lowe's or Home Depot to get these, to get the right supplies, but eventually I got them. Now, of course, if your setup is a little bit different, maybe yours goes through the wall to another room on the other side, or anything like that, in which case you might be able to use just the trap, have the trap come down, and another 90 degree would go straight back in through the wall. Now, a tip I'll tell you is this wasn't all nice and bright white when I started on it. It was kind of grimy. So if you'll take some, I just took plain Clorox and sprayed it on it, let it sit, and when I come back it was all nice and bright white, and then I rinsed it all off in a different sink and then put it back together, and it stayed pretty white for the last few months. So I haven't had any drips. Everything stayed pretty tight. Make sure you get your plumber's putty around the edge here, a good seal all the way around. And other than that, I guess that's pretty much it. I know a lot of people had requested this video, so I hope this helps, and check out. Alright guys, I hope this video helped you out. If you haven't seen the first video where I installed this sink, take a look at it above. Hopefully this will at least save you a couple trips to Lowe's or Home Depot. And I appreciate a like and subscribe. I talk about anything real estate around the area, and apparently farmhouse sinks. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.